Now, if you followed the saga of this rebuild, you may have seen my video of me cleaning the clutch, because it had gotten kind of rusty. From sitting. So I had to sand it all down and get all much of the crap off of it as I could. So I'm hitting all of these with a little bit of denatured alcohol, just to make sure they're good and clean. All right, now I guess we'll put the pressure plate on it. The nice thing about these is they just get tightened down till they're tight on the shoulder, so you don't have to worry about setting any of that stuff, which is handy. And then you set the clutch with this bolt that goes through the middle. Well, let's try this orientation. All right. Yep. Nice. Okay, now I got to remember how to set that. Well, the adjustment procedure basically says take the swap out of the line, turn this into your meet resistance, then go quarter to a half a turn. I'm going to go a little less than a half. We're going to lock it down. Let me down, got it right. Okay. All right. And and we have a clutch. Phew! It may, just may, be time to see if the gas tank holds gas, if the carburetor is still working, and try to start this thing. It may be that time. I'm going to finish up taking a look at it, and we're going to see.